never start yet.
Alright, go on, ready?
Me never shoot off the cart yet.
Alright, go on. Push up the cart down.
What's that now?
2, 3, hit them.
Pull down panty, pump up punani. Push penis, pampalin plus patsy. Pressure Pamela property, put her pam pastapedic. Practice precaution, pick prophylactic. Phone parlor, pam pebble, pam pam a Portmore blinds. Plan pattern, plan patricia, pavement. Them, hey,
Alright, wala. Wait, you're good. The producer was busting shots outside. You're good. Go on again. Hey, Thursday night, we're full of vibes around here. BBC Radio 1 Extra. Shawty B. BBC, let's go. Ready? Again?
pull down panty, pump up punani. Push penis, pampalin plus patsy. Pressure Pamela property, put her pam pastapedic. Practice precaution, pick prophylactic. Phone parlor, pam pebble, pam pam a Portmore blinds. Plan pattern, plan patricia, pavement, Porsche. Pulp out polyester, pause, pull up, yeah, hey. Roll past Princeville, pick up Priscilla. Precisely place her pam popular. Put power performance pam proper. Pierce her, peer passa. Portion to push park parallel. Plasma pam panel. PSP playing Pharrell. Pimping prostitutes proudly. Please pay personnel. Hey, so P.
Hey, could you kindly go on there?
Just for the record, just for the record, this song right here, Shawty B, this is no self-praise. This is no self-praise. This song right here, no human being in the world has never done a song
with PAPs.
With every word, not just PAPs. Every word
is a P.
In the song starts with the letter P. It's not like every other word or every other bar. You know what I mean? Pull down, you listening? Pull down panty, pump up punani.